In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new connected app in Salesforce. We'll walk through the process from opening Salesforce Setup all the way to saving the app with OAuth settings enabled. This is a useful setup if you want an external application to securely connect with Salesforce. And it's important to enter each setting carefully so everything works properly later. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to Salesforce Setup. Once you're inside Setup, look toward the sidebar area where you'll find the Quick Find search utility. This search tool is the fastest way to navigate through Salesforce settings, especially when you already know the name of the feature you need. In the Quick Find field, type App Manager. As the results appear, select App Manager from the list. This will take you to the area where Salesforce apps are managed, including standard apps, custom apps, and connected apps. If you work in Salesforce often, this section is worth getting familiar with because it's the central place for app configuration. When the App Manager page opens, move to the upper area of the screen and click the New Connected App button. This starts the creation process for a new connected app. A connected app allows outside systems or services to authenticate and interact with Salesforce using approved access settings. On the app creation screen, enter the basic identity details for the app. This typically includes the app name and a contact email address. The app name should be something clear and recognizable, so it's easy to identify later, especially if your organization manages multiple integrations. The contact email should be an address that can receive notifications related to the app. Next, enable OAuth settings. Once that option is turned on, you'll be able to provide the callback URL or URLs. These URLs tell Salesforce where users or authorization responses should be sent after authentication. Make sure the callback pathway matches the destination expected by the application you're connecting, because even small formatting mistakes can cause login or authorization issues. After that, assign the authorization scopes. These scopes define what level of access the connected app is requesting, so choose them carefully based on what the integration actually needs. It's always a good practice to avoid giving broader access than necessary. Once all of that is in place, click Save. After saving, Salesforce may take a little time to fully process the connected app settings, so if you don't see everything immediately, give it a moment. And that's it! You've successfully created a new connected app in Salesforce.